Hello YouTube world, Rudy here with your yacht service. It is New Year's Eve 2024, so Happy New Year before I forget about it. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. Today I just wanted to go out. As you may see, we have snow and we have light flurries. Started earlier this morning, and it seemed like, looking at the radar at first, it seemed like they may taper off. So I dispatched, went out with a sprinter, and so it started getting going again, the flurries, and actually more like snow fall. So I called it off for today, came back home and started a little fire here in the solar stove. That's nice and cooking there. Burning some mostly scrappy spruce. So while that's going, yesterday or over the last few days, I had a little firewood promo going on here. Five bags of hardwood mix, firewood, 1 bag of kindling, fire starter, and a free or a complimentary bottle of Irish whiskey. So I had that going, and now I'm gonna show you the result. Also just after Christmas, I had one major sale to one client, and he basically also helped me getting emptied out with nothing there. We have 2 bags of spruce pine and tamarack mix and 2 bags of aspen poplar. So I have to fill that up again. Actually, that's not a firewood stand, that's just my staging areas to be ready for upcoming bags that go out for orders, actually for delivery. That is that. I also started to to utilize my loading tray. Here we have it. So that's my garage here. So loading tray for the firewood bags. I previously had the smaller bags which wouldn't fit in this guy here, and I used the bucket method, putting the bags or the bucket into the bags and then putting the sticks in there and that kind of route. But now, and those bags are done. Now I had some bigger bags that are supposed to go with the tray here. This guy here. So I think they are 24 by 24, and they fit in over this tray here. And you just basically tip it over and it fills into the bag right away. So anyways, those are my kindlings here. Basically just scraps from the splitter while I split. So I'm offering kindling now too while I have it. This is loaded up there. So this is just a staging area here. I'm just going through some scraps and cleaning up here in the yard. So yeah, this is that. Light snowfall continues. Again, New Year's Eve. I'm going out for snow removal for tomorrow on New Year's Day. That needs to be done. No holiday when you're on snow call. Anyways, just wanted to touch base with you and wish you all a happy New Year 2025, successful, and hope all the goodness for you. And thanks so much for subscribing and watching my adventures here in the Yard Service world. Yard maintenance, snow removal and firewood, that is. If you haven't subscribed, you should do that. Anyways, wishing the best for 2025. And I will see you, I guess, next year.